My name's Jagkhalsa, and I've been on the academy for just over 2 years.
How are you finding it?
Yeah, amazing. I had my winners on a Wednesday last year in October, and I also won People's Choice Award 2024. So yeah, the journey's been amazing. I managed to turn my buy-to-let, which was losing money, into a serviced accommodation, and I profit just under £2,000 a month.
And like when you first started enjoying it, like did you think any of this was possible? Or?
No, I had a lot of sort of doubts on property. I always thought you had to sort of raise finance the traditional way with buy-to-lets and stuff. But since joining the academy, I've learned different strategies, how to raise finance, and yeah, my kind of whole property journey has completely changed over the past 2 years.
Right, and would you recommend this to someone like if someone was interested in getting into property?
100%. I think you have to sort of invest in yourself, in your education, but also getting the right mentorship as well, and being around the other people that have been successful. You have to definitely, make that step. And the only two ways really to fail in any business is not to ask for help and not to take massive action. So as long as you do those two things, there's no reason you wouldn't be successful.
That's everything.
Is that right?
Just do me a favor, say your name again, but spell it out for me just so I know when I'm typing it in.
Yeah, sure. Jagkhalsa. So that's Jagkhalsa.
I won't put that bit in, it's just so that I know. Great, thank you for that, mate. Really appreciate it.